Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Friday, October 23, 2020. What a wonderful way to end a week. Not fighting COVID, not stripping varnish that doesn't want to be stripped, but celebrating our completing a comprehensive preservation of this exquisite 19-foot, 1956 Chris Craft Capri runabout, and having fit her to her once again incredible and incredibly designed and executed Loadmaster Limited Trailer Company trailer that was custom built for Pontiak in Port Clinton, Ohio. We flipped her over and did some work on her bottom, but she retains her traditional bottom, which means that she will require soaking up. But her bottom's original. As far as we can tell, virtually all of her hull planking is original. But if you remember from way back when, and those people who said, oh, you can't do that, you'll never do that. Remember, some hack had taken a circular saw and cut all the way across here to work and do really awful work, we discovered, on the framing behind these planks. Well, the king plank is new, but I challenge you to differentiate it from the planking next to it or from the planking beneath the windshield. As we explained early on in the project, we follow the Chris Craft methodology for producing blonde areas, king planks, deck hatches, etc. Lots of people, and I'll have to admit we did early on as well, start mixing all kinds of blonde stain, mixing some yellow paint in it, and then they get to a CBS show and they lose points. Why? Can't see the grain. All that paint does what paint does best, hide everything that's beneath it. This blonde decking was accomplished in the Chris Craft manner, which involves bleaching all of the wood and really bleaching it using a 3-to-1 mixture of Daly's A and B 2-part wood bleach. That's 3 parts B, 1 part A, keeping the wood wet for, in this case, for over 24 hours. The results are just exquisite. Joni Alden, vital signs and screen painting in Colchester, Vermont, executed the lettering. It's all hand lettering. That is not vinyl. Mickey Dupuis, once again, transformed all the hardware into jewelry. That's Mickey Dupuis, DNS, Custom Metal Restoration, Holyoke, Mass. Although she's hiding beneath the engine hatch, Robert Henkel took on the challenge of a complete rebuild of a aftermarket, marinized in good faith but not in good execution, 350, and in this case Pontiak engine. She now has proper carburation. She had a cheap 2-barrel Chinese carburetor sitting on her that had been necked down. But she is completely rebuilt. The ceilings were in excellent shape when she arrived, so we did not release, strip, and redo them. They were really excellent. And then there's the trailer, which once again, Loadmaster Trailers Limited in Port Clinton, Ohio, executed to her owner's specifications. Most of the time, when the owner wishes to, we simply put the owner together with a subcontractor or a vendor and outsource it all and let them work together to achieve the result that the owner is after. So all that's left is dropping her in the water. We've run the engine. It runs like a watch. Sounds like a dragster. It really has a voice. And we'll shoot a video as soon as we take her out to Lake Champlain, but today we've got sort of misty rain, 12 to 18 knot breezes. I love them in the weather forecast. References an 18 knot breeze. 18 knots is wind where I come from. Anyway, here she is. Fully preserved and ready to give her owner many decades of faithful service. And with that, we'll bid you adieu. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.